Who cares? I'm hot. Do you even care about anything? Yeah, sleeping, eating. Eating? If there's no food, what you gonna eat? Are you blind? There's food right there. Girl, we're making a video about clean energy and ASEAN. You know, your love letters come from Indonesia. So, when you switch on the aircon, you burn fossil fuels. It makes the air really dirty. Wear a mask. Not just that, fossil fuels are non-renewable and we are running out. What's that gotta do with my love letters? Listen, when you burn fossil fuels, they release greenhouse gases that trap heat here. ASEAN is already so hot. If it gets hotter, how are we gonna grow wheat for your love letters? No more love letters? Then how? Have you watched Endgame? What, you wanna time travel? Listen, renewable energy is like infinity stones, okay? ASEAN has 5. If we use the infinity stones together, we can still save the earth. Renewable energy is infinite, so electricity will be much cheaper. Oh yeah, my aircon bill is pretty high right now. And you don't have to wear a mask. Renewable energy doesn't cause pollution, so it keeps our air clean.
Hey, but I like to wear a mask.
No one asked you. Hey, but if renewable energy is so good, why isn't everyone already using it? It takes time for people to learn. That's why Marvel had 21 movies before Endgame, right? Oh yeah, I think I get it now. If you like love letters or any food made from crops, all of that disappears if we keep burning fossil fuels and heating up Earth. Even though renewable energy sounds new, sounds scary, it's the only way we can have our love letters and eat it too. So let's use our infinity stone to make a better future.